Okay, so number 1 says, what's the name of the important statistical result that guarantees that the sampling distribution of the sample mean will be normal if the sample size is large? Isn't that the CLT,
Yeah.
I'm totally blanking on the name, but...
Central limit theory.
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are we going to go to the answers first and do the quiz, or are we doing the quiz right now?
Is it the exact same? Because if it's the exact same, you might as well just
You might as well
input them
do
as we
it.
go through.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
that's
want
what I
to
was
do that
thinking.
then, quiz.
Okay, so
Yeah.
let's do that.
Okay. Maybe fast. So they're kind of scattered, but it's still the same questions. At least I think it is. Mine looks like it might be scattered.
Yeah, I think they skipped some of them is what happened.
Okay.
Okay, that's cool. Let's see. Which of the following variables is our categorical?
I forgot to look that one up.
Let's see, I did let's see. I had, which one did I have on this one? I had a randomly selected brand of toothpaste and an age and years of vehicles in the parking lot. Those aren't the answers that we're getting.
Yeah, I just got a randomly selected brand of toothpaste
Yeah.
at a convenience store.
Okay.
Here.
All right.
Okay.
Number 4. Is yours the mean IQ test score?
Yeah.
In the
Yep.
United States is 100. Okay.
So I had 100 as a parameter and 112 as a statistic.
Same.
Yeah, that's what I had.
Yeah.
So 100 parameter. Okay.
For 5, the Rotham City one, I got a sample. I don't know if that's right.
Cluster, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's what made the most sense to me.
I think that's what I had too.
A cluster is where you pick one group and then interview all of them in that group, right?
Wait, I had stratified, I think, on this one.
Yeah, I
Sorry,
had
no,
stratified.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
My numbering's wrong. I have it numbered for... I messed up my numbering. Sorry, guys.
That's okay.
Yes.
So it's stratified?
Yeah.
That's
Because I think I have the next one as clustered. Is it
what I
clustered?
did. I think it was
Yeah.
Yeah, the next one is.
Yep, 6
cluster.
is a cluster, Sam.
Yeah. That's what I did. I have the right answer. Just put it on the spot.
Okay. The school fundraiser, the name of every person who's attending the drawing. Didn't they say? I have this one as a. What do I have this one? As a simple random sample, SRS.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's what I put.
Yep.
Here.
Okay. Number 8, a special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. I have that one as what do I have that one as?
Was that stratified?
I think so.
I had stratified. I had that or a simple random sample.
Yeah, because it says that a stratified sample divides data into similar groups, and an SRS was taken from each group.
Yeah, I'd say it's stratified.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this Crossroads one.
I got the mean as 4.771.
I did too.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
And then the standard deviation, I got 1.912.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Is that right? 1.912?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
So I was a little confused
On 9 and 10?
on 12 and 13. I was a
Oh,
little
12 and
confused.
13. Okay.
It was like, I don't know.
So isn't this the one where you have to, like lesson 3? We have to do the value minus the mean equals the deviation squared.
It was.
Yeah.
I couldn't remember what the little X with the thing over it meant.
That's just the
Sample mean.
sample mean.
Or population mean, rather. No? I can't.
I have it in my notes somewhere.
I think it's the sample mean minus the population mean, or the overall mean.
Mhm. Okay. So 12 through 15. So for 12, I got, let's see, what was, is it negative 0.165?
That's what I got too.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, yeah.
Actually.
Yep.
And then 13, I got 0.681.
Wait,
Is that not right?
let me do this again really quick.
Okay.
What did you get?
I got 0.681.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
Okay.
Did you get negative or no?
You square it. It is
Because it's
negative.
Okay.
squared. Yeah, I was gonna say it is negative, but then you square it.
Okay.
So that quantity is the variance, right? And then once you square it, it's the standard
And this-
deviation, or square root it, it's the standard deviation.
Yes. Yeah, the S squared is the sample variance, right?
Yeah, so you add all those up
Square
and get the
deviation
variance.
and the variance. Yes.
So this is
And
the
then
variance.
you take the square root of that, and that's the standard deviation.
Yes.
Yeah, I put variance for that. Is that right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I had
Okay.
too.
What was that Jade's for? Okay. And then the standard deviation for these temperaments, I got 0.715. 0.715.
Let me check. .715, you said?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Standard deviation can never be negative.
Does yours say
it's gotta
can never be?
square
Mine says
rooted.
can be negative. So that's false, right? It can't ever be.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's false.
Okay. Is this one extradural? Number
Yeah.
17? Because
Yep.
the standard deviation is smallest.
Yep.
Okay. So on number 19, what is the third quartile? Isn't that H?
Yeah.
Okay.
8.
And then what percentage of data lies between 4 and 8 hours? Is that 50%?
Yeah.
And what did you guys get for that?
So number 20 is 50%. Because each quartile is 25%. And you have 2 of them in there.
Yeah.
What was that?
It says percentage of data lies between 4 and 8 hours. Isn't that included? You do that percentage and then data from 12? Or
Just on the box plot, the first is the 25th percentile, and the other end of it's the 75th. So everything in between is between the 25th and 75th, which is just 50%.
I was thinking something different. All right.
Okay, these ones are where I was a little confused.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to do these ones either.
Yeah.
Because I had no idea what.
Are you there?
Just cutting out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, your internet must have slowed down or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was a little confused on this one too because it's like estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration, and then it gives us these 2 different numbers that are I don't really know.
Yeah, because what that omega sign right there, that's the variance sign, isn't it?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay, sorry, my computer just froze. Where are you guys at?
It looks like that sign is variance is that sign squared. So I think that sign is just the standard deviation.
Oh.
Which one?
So that's the.
Okay, wait. Which one is the standard deviation?
That little symbol beside the 2.
Oh yeah, that is.
Then you use the mean or the sum.
So that's basically 2 standard deviations away from the mean.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So the mean should be right in the center of those 2 numbers, right?
Yeah.
1.59 and 2.52.
And divide that by 2, so it should be 2.055.
Hold on just a second. So 1.59 plus 2.25? Oops, sorry, 2.52.
Yes.
Yeah, and then divide by 2.
Okay, 2.055.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the mean?
Mhm.
That's what I got, yeah.
Okay.
That's what it should be, based on the deviations.
Okay.
So the standard deviation would be minus 1.59 divided by 2, so 0.233.
Okay, wait, so you did...
So I subtracted the mean from
Okay.
one of those values and then divided it by 2 because it's 2 standard deviations away.
So you just minus it by like 1.59?
Yeah, and then divide by 2, and that should give you 1 standard deviation.
0.233?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
So in 68%, it's just the one standard deviation, right?
What's that?
23,
Oh, between one standard deviation. Yeah.
Okay. So let's.
So I got
So then this one.
1.822 and 2.288 should be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's plus and minus the 2 point.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
I mean, it makes sense now, but when I'm reading these questions and I'm just thinking, what the heck are they asking for?
Yeah.
Same way. No worries.
All right, so 24, what's the value of the mean?
Wait. What's this asking?
Yeah,
I don't know.
What is the value of the mean
What is the
of
value
a
of the
standard
mean?
normal distribution?
Oh, they don't give us that question. There it is. Okay, so I think in the lesson 8 review, it says the admission committee for most Masters of Business Administration programs require the GMAT as part of the application for new students. It's been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3 and a standard deviation of 120.54. The minimum GMAT required for admission to the MACC program in School of Accountancy at BYU is 500, but it is rare for students with scores less than 600 to be admitted. So then it says use this information to answer questions 24 to 32. And
Yeah, except for on our.
Yeah, on
Our
this one it
quiz.
says 26 to 31.
I think that, because that's one of the questions, that is I don't know. So weird.
So we're supposed to use the
Because then one of them says use this information to answer questions 21 and 22.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone messed up on
Okay.
Because that question was on, yeah, you're right, it was from 24 to.
Yeah,
So
but she
you just-
dropped some questions, so.
No.
It's asking for what is the value of the mean of a standard normal distribution, not of the. So it's like in general.
Oh.
So the value of the mean of a standard normal distribution is the value of the mean of the parent population, right? Or no, that's a different.
What is the value of a mean? 0. So right here it says standard normal distribution mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1.
I guess that's probably what it is then.
All right.
Where did you read that at?
It was in my notes, but it's in lesson 5. So let me see if I can find it in here. So it's under normal distribution, and it says standard normal distribution mean is 0 and standard deviation is 1.
Yep. I just found it too.
Huh. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And the value of the standard
24
deviation
is 0 and
0
25
and
is
1.
1.
Yep. Well, that was confusing.
Yeah.
Yes, it was.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you saw that because.
Well, I'm like, I know I saw that somewhere, looking in my notes, and I'm glad I wrote it down.
Yeah.
So, okay, we're good. All right, so what is the probability that a random selecting student will score above 542.3 on the GMAT? So these ones, this is confusing when they give you the actual mean. So
Yeah,
how
it
do
should
we?
be 50%, right? So.
I guess so. Yeah, because if the mean is.
Yeah.
So then
Yeah,
you
so
go.
right in
So
the
you go
middle.
to the
0.5.
Applet.
Yep, 0.5.
and you type that in the area, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
'cause
so you'd have a.
the z-score would end up being 0, if you actually type that in the applet, then it will divide it half and half.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so it's just 0.5, 0.5?
Yep.
Round to the nearest 10. Okay. And then the probability the random selected student will score below 600 on the GMAT. What did I do for this one?
So I get 0.684.
0.684.
You said 0.684.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got on the applet thing.
And then above that will be 0.316.
0.316, yeah.
Yeah.
And then what's the score that corresponds with the 10th percentile?
So that you just say the z-score is 1.282 negative, right? You plug the 10.1 into the,
Probability.
yeah,
The area. Oops.
yep, into the area, and then get the z-score.
Which is, isn't it negative 1.282?
Yes.
So is that the answer?
No.
Well, I think you have to reverse do the formula.
Oh yeah, do the formula. Okay.
Yeah, so it's going to be x minus the mean.
Yep.
Okay, so the mean 5, 4, 2, 3.
You know, which is 5. 2.3, you know, whatever, and then equals.
Yep.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so what did you get for that one?
I got 387.
Point. Oh, to the nearest. Hold on. I got 388. Because I got 387.768.
Let me see. I can't remember what I. Because you had 1.282 negative times 120.54. Yeah, I think you're right.
Gives you
532.
negative
Yeah.
154.532. So if we run
Yeah,
it, so
you're
it's 388. Okay.
388. Yep.
Just making sure. Okay.
Now the 90th.
And then the 90th. So
697.
so it's not giving me, when I type in that one, it doesn't give me a different z-score.
Yeah, it shouldn't. You just have
Okay.
to do it, instead of putting it negative z-score, you make it positive.
Ah, okay. That makes sense. Okay.
You said
correct.
697.
Yeah, is what I got.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got too.
697, same.
First quartile.
And then for the first quartile,
Wouldn't that be just 2.5 on the probability?
What's that?
Would that be 0.25 on probability?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's, would it be the negative or the positive? Negative 0.674.
Yeah, I think it would be the negative.
It's the negative
Yeah.
because it's going to be lower than the mean.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So that's the nearest whole number.
Yeah. So we should be
So-
getting that probably in the 400s.
Okay, so then you type that into x too, right? You do that x formula?
Yeah, so that, yeah,
Okay.
you're going to do the exact same formula I did for the last one, yeah.
Okay.
What was that formula again? Sorry.
So it's x equals the mean plus the z-score times the standard deviation, but those are in parentheses. So z-score times standard deviation in parentheses plus the mean. That's in lesson, what was that lesson? In lesson 5, Normal distribution, and it's under percentiles.
Okay. I think I found it.
All right, so did you guys get 461?
461, yeah.
Okay. And then for the third quartile, did you guys get 624?
What? I think I did.
Oh,
Yeah, I got 624.
okay.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's going to be the same, isn't it? Just positive?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. All right, so consider a simple random sample of 15 students taking the GMAT. What's the mean distribution score for all such samples?
So it should just be the same as the mean before, right?
Yeah, I would think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because we're not
Because
looking
the
for the
parent
standard
population is normally distributed.
deviation. So it's
542.3.
that's what it's okay.
Mhm.
And then what's the standard deviation for all such samples?
So that's the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number,
Yeah.
the number of students.
Which is 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get? What did you guys get?
I got
8.036.
Oh, you got 8? I got 31.123.
Yeah.
That's what I got too.
I got 31.366.
I got 31.13.
For one.
So 120.54
Or
divided by 15
Did you guys-
square root.
Oh, so it's 31.123.
Oh,
Yeah.
Did you do this square root of 15?
1.13.
So I just did it all together.
Yeah, that's what I
did square root of
Yeah.
15, and then, so yeah.
Okay.
So it is around 31. Okay. So then greater than 600.
Yeah, I got 30.
So this, you do the same thing, except for you use the new standard deviation instead of the
Yeah.
old one.
Yeah.
So 600.
Yes.
So for my z-score, I got 1.854.
Uh-huh.
So,
And then they want it above?
yep,
Score above? So is it 0.32?
032, yeah.
Oh, sorry, yeah, 0.032.
Yep.
So 0.032.
Okay.
Right.
I can submit it first.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, 14 is none of these.
What is,
And as of right now,
Which one?
only one that got wrong was 14. It was none of these. 'Cause I think we said the variance, right?
None of these is correct.
Really?
Yeah, 14.
Huh. Would it just,
Yeah.
the quantity that's equal to the sum of the numbers, is it just the sum?
Weird.
That is weird. Is that the
because
only
it's
one?
the deviation of the mean squared, right?
Yeah.
Standard deviations column. So the sum of those, in lesson 4, it says that's the variance.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's the sum of the
Yeah,
variance. Maybe
weird,
each number is the
Yeah.
variance.
The sum of the variance, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's the sum of the variance.
That's probably what it is. The variance is just the deviation
Yeah. Is
squared.
that the only one we missed? Is that the only
That's
one
only
we
when we missed, but everything else right.
Okay.
Oh, weird. I got 97.
Yeah, it says 14 to the only one we missed.
Dang it.
What
I
did
messed
you do?
up. On number 25, it says the value of the standard deviation. Apparently, I put 10 instead of 1.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's
Oh, well, I still got an A, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, darn it. Okay.
It was lengthy.
Cool.
All right.
All right, well, good luck
all on your exam.
on your exams, guys. So,
Is
okay,
this,
so,
do
oh,
you
sorry,
know
go
how long
ahead.
this exam's supposed to, I mean, she says you have 4 hours. I hope it doesn't take that long.
I know, I hope so too.
It took me 4 hours. I think it might be something like what we just did now.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
kind of what I'm thinking too.
Do you know if it's multiple choice at all? Or it's probably just like this, right?
I bet it's
Probably.
probably 50-50.
Yeah.
What we've been doing, so.
Okay. All right, well,
Okay.
cool. Well, good luck, guys, and we'll do Wednesday at 9.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Awesome. All right. See you then, guys.
See ya.
See you
See
guys.
ya.